So with sequences and series, you just have to remember that there's three different ones that they can ask you. Okay. First one is your basic arithmetic sequence. Okay. Okay. So arithmetic coming from adding. So that's going to look something like this. So you might have a 3, a 7, an 11, and a 15. And when you look at the difference between the numbers, it's the same. So if they give you a sequence and they don't tell you what type of sequence, the first thing you're going to do is look at the difference between the values. And so what we call this is the first difference. Okay, we do. Okay, and we get 4, 4, 4. So we can stop straight away. We know it's an arithmetic sequence. And so we get given the formulas in our formula sheets that tell you the arithmetic sequence, what term it is. So if you go to the back, you'll see the formula, which should say a plus n minus 1d. So that's the most basic arithmetic, the most basic sequence. So if you just remember that, then we should be fine. And so we know that a is the first term. So a is this term here. And d is the difference between the terms. Okay, and n is just the term number. So we can think of these terms as T1, T2, T3, T4, and so n just goes up. So n changes depending on which term in the sequence it is. And so you could work out this arithmetic sequence by simply just putting the formula and plugging it in. So it's a Tn equals 3 plus n minus 1 d, which is 4. And then you now have the sequence. So a question they might ask you could be, what is term 71, say? And so all you do is you say T71 because that's the term, equals 4 times 71 minus 1. Because if to do 71, I mean, you could, T5 you can get easily, because you just add 4 onto here and you get 19. But T71, a bit more difficult. So 4 times 71 is 284, minus 1 is 283, and that's your answer. Now what they could also do is they could also say, is what term is, say, 303? So which term is 303? Okay. And so then what you do is you substitute 303 into Tn. 303 equals, which is 3 plus n minus 1. So now you want to figure out which n minus 1. And D is 4. Okay, I'm just going to continue this over here. So you've got 303 equals 3 plus 4n minus 4. Take the 3 and the 4 across. So it becomes 303 minus 3 plus 4 equals 4n. And so you have 304 equals 4n. Okay, and then if you divide 304 by 4, you should get 376. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, so that is your arithmetic sequence and trying to figure it out.